How to fix Facebook comments. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook, of course. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search only for Facebook. Open it and you have to scroll down. Click now on storage and click on the last button, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop. Click also OK. Now as you see this option, remove permissions if app is unused, you have to allow it like this. And after this, and if it's still you have this problem, you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.